7 health benefits of raw garlic that make it worth the stinky breath. If you've ever found yourself dealing with the unpleasantness of garlic breath, whether as the one with the offensive odor or the unfortunate recipient, you might wonder, is garlic even good for you when it leaves such a strong smell? Despite the lingering stench, garlic does offer several documented health benefits, and plenty of folklore claims, too. While some of these claims are exaggerated, many are backed by evidence. Here, we delve into some of the top health benefits of consuming raw garlic that make enduring the bad breath worthwhile. What is the healthiest way to eat garlic? Garlic is one of the most accessible and affordable healthy foods you can eat. Garlic is packed full of nutrients and adds intense flavor to any dish. It's most potent when used in its raw form, says Lutzi. The good news? Eating raw garlic has its perks, especially considering its many health benefits. These include fighting infections, boosting the cardiovascular system, regulating blood sugar, lowering blood pressure, and reducing cholesterol. Garlic and garlic extract can combat various infections, fungal, bacterial, parasitic, and viral. It's important to note that consuming garlic raw, not cooked, is the best way to maximize its benefits. So, next time you're cooking, consider adding a raw clove of garlic or two to recipes that don't involve heat, such as dressings, salads, or dips, to maintain its peak nutritional value. So, how many garlic cloves per day to reap the benefits? Studies suggest that the optimal daily intake of raw garlic is about 1 to 2 cloves to maximize benefits without undesirable side effects like body odor or heartburn. However, if consuming raw garlic upsets your stomach, the same research indicates that other forms, including garlic allicin, garlic extract, cloves of garlic, garlic capsules, and supplements, might also offer similar benefits. 7 health benefits of raw garlic. The health benefits of garlic are largely due to a compound called allicin. A study published in the peer-reviewed journal Molecule highlights allicin's range of health-promoting properties, including its ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health. Indeed, garlic can help manage blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular well-being. What does garlic do for the body? 1. It's good for your cognitive health. One advantage of raw garlic is its abundance of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B6, manganese, selenium, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and copper. This potent mix is particularly beneficial for cognitive function, as vitamin B6 and magnesium are both associated with enhancing mood and improving brain health. 2. It can help support a healthy immune system. Garlic is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known for boosting the immune system. According to the USDA, approximately 3 cloves of garlic contain about 3 milligrams of vitamin C. For a more savory immunity booster than oranges, try adding some raw garlic to your meals. 3. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic contains allyl sulfides, a compound with anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties that may help slow the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory benefits help protect the body from damaging free radicals and oxidative stress. 4. It can be good for your liver. If you've been asking, is garlic good for the liver, the answer is straightforward. Studies have shown that garlic can protect the liver from certain toxins. A healthy liver helps the body flush out toxins more efficiently, which is crucial for overall well-being. 5. It can help boost cardiovascular health. Consuming garlic regularly is directly linked to improved cardiovascular health. Garlic has long been known to reduce cholesterol and normalize blood pressure. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, our number 1 killer. 6. It may help protect against osteoporosis. As people age, the risk of osteoporosis increases, particularly for women. Some evidence suggests that consuming garlic may help protect against this condition. Garlic can boost estrogen levels in women entering menopause, a critical period when bones are most at risk for osteoporosis. Additionally, some studies indicate that garlic may slow the effects of osteoarthritis. While these preliminary findings are promising, more research is needed to confirm this connection. 7. It's beneficial for skin health. While applying garlic directly to your skin might not be appealing, consuming it can benefit your skin internally. Garlic's antibacterial and antifungal properties can aid in treating acne, while its general anti-inflammatory effects improve circulation, enhancing nutrient delivery to the skin. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, boasting immune-boosting qualities attributed to its antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiseptic properties, primarily from the compound allicin. Allicin is also anti-inflammatory and packed with antioxidants, which promote healthy skin. Is it safe to eat garlic every day? You don't have to incorporate raw garlic into every meal or consume it daily to enjoy its health benefits. Unless your doctor recommends it for medicinal purposes, there's no need to take garlic every day. It's crucial to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before adding a garlic supplement to your daily regimen, especially if you're on blood thinners. Garlic supplements can enhance the effects of blood-thinning medications, potentially increasing the risk of bleeding. Additionally, consuming excessive amounts of garlic at once can lead to adverse effects such as headaches, fatigue, loss of appetite, muscle aches, dizziness, or, in rare cases, allergic reactions. Garlic can also contribute to causing uncomfortable gastrointestinal issues. If you've been wondering whether garlic makes you gassy, especially if you've been experiencing abdominal discomfort, it's not just in your head. Garlic, along with onions, falls under the category of high FODMAP foods, which means they contain indigestible and slowly absorbed short-chain carbohydrates. In simpler terms, these foods have components that can be difficult for some digestive systems to process. Individuals who are sensitive to high FODMAP foods may consider avoiding garlic and onions to alleviate these symptoms. Despite all the health benefits of both raw and cooked garlic, here are some of the side effects you might experience if you significantly increase your garlic consumption. Possible side effects of raw garlic. 1. It can cause mild to moderate physical symptoms. When it comes to adding garlic to your diet, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may encounter heartburn, mouth burning, gas, nausea, diarrhea, or vomiting. 2. It can have an effect on your body's scent. Body odor can also be a side effect of consuming large quantities of garlic, especially when individuals eat 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic daily. 3. It may cause burning or irritation. Consuming raw garlic isn't straightforward for everyone. It can be quite intense and may even cause a burning sensation upon chewing. Other potential side effects include gastrointestinal burning or irritation, along with possible changes in intestinal flora. 4. Some people may develop a rash. Some individuals may have a topical sensitivity to garlic, which could lead to adverse effects on their skin, such as causing a rash. For those who are sensitive, it is advised to wear gloves when chopping or handling garlic. 5. It can interact with some medications. Individuals who are taking certain medications should exercise caution when consuming raw garlic, as it may interact with drugs such as anticoagulants, antiplatelets, hypoglycemic agents, and insulin. It's advisable to consult with your doctor before adding any supplements or herbs like raw garlic to your diet if you are on other medications. It's essential to manage your consumption of raw garlic carefully. A recommended healthy intake is about 2 to 3 cloves daily when cooked, or a supplement of aged garlic ranging from 600 to 1,200 milligrams. Starting with smaller amounts is wise, and if your body responds well, that's positive. Raw garlic may not suit everyone, and that's perfectly acceptable. Given the potential side effects of consuming raw garlic, there are fortunately numerous alternative ways to obtain its benefits without having to chew a clove directly. Is it better to chew or swallow garlic? Chewing garlic is thought to release more allicin, maximizing its potential health benefits. However, chewing raw garlic can be challenging due to its strong taste and odor. Therefore, incorporating minced or chopped garlic into your diet alongside other foods may be a more palatable option. To make peeled raw garlic more palatable, try slicing the clove into thin pieces and sandwiching them between apple slices. The sweetness of the apple helps mask the strong flavor of garlic, making it easier to consume. Mixing garlic with other foods can also enhance its tolerability. Will I get all the health benefits of eating garlic if I swallow it whole? You can still derive the health benefits of garlic by swallowing it whole. If you find the taste too strong, consider cutting the clove into 4 small pieces and swallowing them like pills. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before trying this method and to pay attention to any potential adverse reactions your body may have. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.